I watch it.
Do I have to eat while I'm watching it?
Yeah.
I think since they're going to be like shitting in each other's mouths, this is actually a really fitting food.
Yeah, it's really gross. Trust me.
Oh god.
I know. I ate fried chicken to it.
I like the ads that are around this.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
Memories.
I'm already not ready for this.
How does it start off? I watched like the.
At least it's only a minute long.
Yeah, that's the minute version. Yeah, that's the one that me and Lance watched.
Well, the beginning isn't that bad.
No, it gets worse.
Oh, what? What the fuck? Who thought this was a good idea?
Anyone who likes that kind of stuff, I guess.
I'm gonna puke.
It gets so bad.
It's already pretty awful.
They start gagging each other.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, they start puking!
Yo, she's screaming. Don't scream. Oh, Ew.
Oh, it's over.
That's nasty.
Wow, I'm never gonna recover from that.
Yo, the worst part was when they started gagging each other. That's all I can say.
Like when she like had her hand in her mouth trying to make herself puke.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Ugh.
And they were like throwing up on each other.
I think I would have rather watched that than Camel Slaughter.
What? Never.
Fuck, animals killed.
Bro, that's nothing.
And like the animal like struggles for life and shit.
That's nothing compared to.
I'm still eating.
Yeah, watch it again. me and Lance did. We kept rewatching it until one of us finally threw up somewhere. I threw up on his carpet, and he was like, "Oh, my carpet."
You have any worse videos for me? I'm ready for it.